Ideal replacement. This glove box latch matches the dimensions of the original equipment latch to restore function. Durable construction. This latch is made using quality materials to ensure reliable service. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment function at a competitive price. Quality tested. This part has undergone extensive testing to ensure a quality fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Be very careful drilling rivets, and the screws are too small that hold the covers together. I discarded the supplied screws that came with the handle and purchased the next size diameter bigger. You have to reuse the 4 screws that hold the handle to the cover. Also try the operation many times while adjusting the bend of the rod to latch. When happy with operation, assemble the 2 shell pieces together with next diameter size bigger screws. Do not get any longer screws as they will dimple the face cover.